Hey guys, I made a small investment, been watching a lot of videos, and I'm about to open up my second candy machine. I'm gonna ignore this call. Marketers. So I got me a single. Because I have one that has 3 already. I like to keep all my documents. But this is a little side business I wanted to give it a shot for my kids. See, okay, so I'm having a little trouble here. Trying to be as quiet as possible. I just put the baby to sleep. Okay, got instructions here. Let's see if I can push this out. That's a beauty. Red's my favorite color. And I purchased all mine with a drawer. I've seen a lot of videos. I don't want to go through the trouble of having to open the whole thing up. I did have some offers I seen on OfferUp for a used one, but why would I take the chance of it not working? Trying to find the key. I wonder if the same key I have works. Or maybe it's still stuck at the... Alright, there's... Let me see, let me try out one of my keys. Hoping it's different. Yep. Wow. Last time I got 2 keys for a set of 3. Now I got 4 keys. Wow. Gonna have to mark these somehow. Also got a stand with it, just a regular iron cast. It's pretty straightforward. I just submitted my application for my permits. After that, I've also submitted an application for insurance. As easy as somebody can go inside somewhere and just snatch one of these or damage it. I don't want to take any chances. There we go. Huh, it looks a little shorter, doesn't it? It's alright. So there you have it. This is gonna be one of many. And looks pretty simple. Looks like I might have to open it up. I don't have any of my tools with me, but let's see if it's working. Bam. Look at that. Can't wait to have something in here, huh? So there you have it. I just gotta put the this bottom part on it like this, and then I'm all set. Let me go grab my tools. I'll be right back. What's going on? So I'm back. They're all put together. I'm about to put the labels and stickers on it. So it's been kind of I think it's been a month since I had these two machines, and I should have done my research a little bit before I purchased them. Excuse me, I can't talk. So when I got them, you know, I saw a couple videos on YouTube and thought, hey, this is pretty easy. I listened to everything everyone had to say, and it seems pretty legit, pretty straightforward. And then when it came down to it, I went ahead and just did my research on the machines and just bought them. But instead, and I'm just putting on the stickers as I speak, and instead of just buying them, I should have done some more research on the licensing and permits. So I'm surrounded by 3 counties, and there's probably a couple other ones that are kind of nearby. But my county charges a fee of $100 and up. And first you have to find the location. So once you meet with the location owner, you have to report back to the city hall and pay the amount that's, you know, for that location. And I thought that was a little unfair, because if that location doesn't work out and I happen to remove that candy machine, I have to start all over, find another location, pay another $100. I called the second county, same thing. Now they're talking $150 and up, depending on the location as well. And I was almost losing hope that I can get these out there, and I was trying to think of other solutions. But I finally hit it. One of the counties don't even have anything on vending machines. So now I feel a little better. I'm gonna go ahead and put the stickers on. 25 cents. I'm gonna go ahead and put the stickers on. And I can go ahead and market these out whenever I get a chance. But I don't know if that, many don't know I'm a stay-at-home dad, so I'm taking care of my son, so it's time limited. But weekends are my time, because I do have my bounce houses that keep me going. I made this little sheet right here. It just kind of states my purpose, the benefits of having a candy machine in your location, and how it works, and a little picture of both my machines, so I can go ahead and tell them about it. I also had my wife print out these little stickers. That's the business name. Contact us for more information, that I'm gonna put around the candy machines. That way they can contact me, and it works as a little extra advertisement for free. I'm actually gonna hold off on these stickers and let my wife do it. She has a better steady hand than I do. But that's pretty much it. My advice is that before you even purchase these, check with your city hall and see how much they're charging you. On top of these machines, brand new, for like $120, $150, you gotta pay another $100 every time you find a new location. Wasn't worth it. And I still have to get insurance for these in case anything happens to them at the location. So and like I said, it's hard to know how much you're gonna come out with if you're paying that much money to start with. So do your research. Let me know how that goes, and I'll make another video once I find my first location. Thank you guys.